Hello.
Hi, myself.
Recently, I have
Vishnu.
completed
I have
6 months
completed my
data analytics internship at
with
Unified Mentor.
Mentor as a full stack web
I am grateful
development
to Unified
intern. It
Mentor
was a
for
great
giving
learning
this
experience.
opportunity
I
to me.
got to work on the projects like
In this internship,
weather
I
app,
have
which uses API
enhanced my
integration, or
skills
student teacher booking
and
appointments, which also
enabled
uses
my learning
Firebase and Cloud
opportunity.
Firestore.
I'm looking
I
forward to apply
had
this
such a great
in
time
my future
working on
career.
this project,
Thank you.
which makes my
Hello.
knowledge or my theoretical knowledge
Recently, I have
worked into the
completed
practical
6 months
ones.
data
It
analytics internship
improved
at
my
Unified
skills
Mentor.
in HTML, CSS,
I am
JavaScript,
grateful to
and
Unified Mentor
also
for giving
I
this
happened to learn new
opportunity
skills
to me.
like React, Node,
In this
and
internship,
Firebase as
I
well.
have
I
enhanced
had
my
such a
skills
great time. Overall, the
and
mentors in Unified
enabled my
Mentor are
learning
so
opportunity.
supportive. Any
I'm looking
doubts can be
forward to apply
solved
this
if I message them or call them
in
in
my
any
future
time,
career. Thank you.
which was a great thing, which makes
Hello.
every task easier.
Recently, I have
Thank you,
completed 6
Unified
months
Mentor, for
data analytics
giving me this
internship at
opportunity,
Unified
and I'll
Mentor.
recommend to all the students to
I am
gain the
grateful
work
to Unified Mentor for
experience
giving
and the
this
real life
opportunity to me.
experiences. Thank you.